How to move Steam games to another drive. First of all, launch the Steam application on your device. Now all you have to do is click the Steam in the top left corner, then click the settings from the drop-down menu. Now you simply have to click the storage tab in the left-hand menu, then click the plus icon or the drive drop-down menu at the very top of the page. From there, you simply have to now select your new hard drive from the list and click Add. Now move the game by simply going back to the Steam settings, then go to storage, then select the source drive from the top drop-down menu. Now look through the list of the games and check the box next to the games you want to move. Then click the blue move button in the bottom right corner of the window, select your destination drive from the drop-down menu and click move again. Now you simply have to wait for loading bar to hit 100%. Or wait until your transfer is completed. Steam will now automatically verify the files in their new location. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.